Recording. GoPro, start recording. Gotta talk louder. Okay, heading into the woods out of the bright sunlight. See how this compares. Slippery. Don't want to go fast in here, the ruts will throw you all over the place. Okay, ooh, sliding there. This is where I'm going to turn back and take another trail. If it wants to back up, wants to go in a straight line, these damn ruts. There we go. GoPro, stop recording. Gotta talk louder. Okay, heading into the woods out of the bright sunlight. See how this compares. Slippery. Don't want to go fast in here, the ruts will throw you all over the place. Okay, ooh, sliding there. This is where I'm going to turn back and take another trail. If it wants to back up, wants to go in a straight line, these damn ruts. There we go. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I'm back here at the cave, and here's my opinion. I love the contour. It's easy to use. It takes good, videos. It's tough. But its day has come. The GoPro takes better videos. The image stabilization, what they call the hyper stabilization, is really great. And the image resolution is a lot better. The audio is adequate without a microphone under the conditions I use it. I didn't notice any wind noise at all. The problem though is that with the voice commands, the background noise from the engine and so forth don't get through. I had to continuously stop and go to start recording and stop recording, and by the time I got through with the video, I had over an hour of video that I finally just cut it down to this one 10-minute comparison. So the one thing I'm going to have to do in order to make that GoPro reliable with the voice commands is to get the microphone adapter and microphone. Otherwise, I'd be really happy with it. It's not to say I'm not still in love with the Contour, but they're just not making them anymore. You can't get an upgraded version of it. Otherwise, I would have got one. So anyway, that's just my opinion. This is the first ride I've taken with it, with the GoPro. And so far I'm pleased. But like I say, you got to get the external mic, the helmet microphone, and adapter and everything else. Now, like I say, this is just for the way I use it. People on motorcycles or out hiking or something have different priorities.